Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to try, well, again a new technique, like we try to do each time. But it's a technique that I saw which kind of interests me because it's outside of what we used to see and what we used to do. We're going to use wrap paper, Saran wrap if you want, or glad. So the principle of this thing is that you have to put some acrylic, a lot of acrylic, keep it wet, then you put over it your wrap paper, and it should do a nice effect. There's no other way to reach that effect. So of course there's only other way to try it. And you know what, I'm recycling because I'm using an old canvas that I have that I had inside of my lounge drawer. I don't know where, but I was stuck with it. I didn't know what to do with it. So the best way is to recycle. So we're gonna go over it. I did put some kind of yellow to do the backdrop. So I think it's gonna be nice. So let's go and try it. So guys, I think it is a success. The only thing I would do differently is that I didn't put quite enough acrylic on it to do the effect I was looking for. It did the effect, but the thing is, it's you don't see it as much because, like I say, I didn't put enough acrylic. Still, it's a very nice technique. It's something we're going to revisit, that's for sure, because I'm going to try it again. Sorry, the damn calling. I'm going to try it again, but like I said, with more acrylic. I think it's going to be more interesting. And I think another thing also, when I did put my wrap paper on it, I did work on it a little bit too much. I think you have to clear some place, you know, to have some more, because now there's a lot of details, and it's not quite what we want with this technique. So anyway, I think it's nice. I think it's a nice change. I think it's different from everything we did before. Well, again, it's subjective. It depends on your taste. But for me, I think it's not that bad. It's not our best, but it's not that bad. So guys, on that note, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.